Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put sticky notes on your desktop computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, click the Start or Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the search bar appears, type sticky notes and you'll see it pop up in the results. Go ahead and click on it to launch the application. Now, if for some reason you can't find sticky notes through the Start menu, don't worry, there's another way to access it. Search for Microsoft Store in the Start menu instead and open it. Once the store loads, click on the search bar at the top of the window and type Sticky Notes. The app should appear in the search results. If you haven't installed Sticky Notes yet, you'll see an install button. Click on it and give it a moment to download and install on your computer. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, click Open to launch the app. Now that Sticky Notes is open, you'll see a simple interface that's designed to be quick and easy to use. To create your first note, click the plus button in the upper left corner of the Sticky Notes window. This will generate a new blank note where you can start typing right away. Click inside the note and enter whatever text you want to display. This could be a reminder, a to-do list, an important phone number, or anything else you need to keep visible on your screen. The beauty of Sticky Notes is that they help you keep track of important information without cluttering up physical space on your desk. Once you've typed your text, you can drag the note to any location on your desktop where you'd like it to stay. Simply click and hold on the top bar of the note, then move your mouse to position it exactly where you want. You can place it near the corner, along the side, or anywhere else that works for your workflow. If you find that the note is too small or too large for the amount of text you've entered, you can easily resize it. Just hover your mouse over any edge or corner of the note until you see the resize cursor appear. Then click and drag to adjust the size to your preference. Now here's the great part. Just leave the note open on your desktop. It will stay there above your wallpaper like a small window, visible no matter what other programs you're using. This makes it perfect for keeping important reminders front and center throughout your workday. And that's how you add sticky notes to your desktop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.